Doors going right. Yep.
All right. So here is the service elevator. I'm not sure if you've seen this elevator before when
No,
you
I
came
have
here.
not. I did not know this was back.
Wow, this is nice. Wonder if the inching works. Nope, it doesn't.
B works.
But just don't get off there.
Oh, we won't.
And going up, let's be quiet and listen to the motor, shall we?
Yeah. Okay.
This thing is epic.
It doesn't even feel like we're moving.
Here we go. Now let's be quiet going down because I want to hear that motor starting up. This is a top-driven traction.
Okay.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, that was cool.
All right, let's close the door and start the motor. Ready? Epic.
Very cool.
All right, now let's watch that door shut. There it goes, and that's it.